Are Oreos good for you? We'll consider the top 3 main ingredients: sugar, enriched flour, and high oleic canola oil. Remember, all the ingredients labeled on food products are listed in descending order, by weight and the proportion of that ingredient. The ingredient at the very top of the list is what the food product mainly consists of. Ingredient number 1. Sugar. Oreos enjoy sugar at the top of the list. Sugar has been linked to obesity and visceral fat accumulation. Visceral fat is the fat stored around major organs such as the liver, pancreas and intestines. Second on the list is unbleached enriched flour. Even if it's enriched with all the vitamins and minerals, it's still missing its bran, germ, essential nutrients and fiber. And third on the list is its high oleic canola oil. This poor monounsaturated fatty acid has been blasted with heat at very high temperatures, which has been linked to high cholesterol levels and increased risk of breast cancer. The verdict. As a general rule of thumb, if sugar is in the top 3 of the ingredients list, then it's usually bad for you. Put it back on the shelf and save yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below if you liked this video. I wish you the very best of health and I hope to see you again in one of my next videos. Farewell.